Hi everyone! Welcome to my vlog. And kakabalik lang natin ulit ngayon sa vlog kasi so much busy ng mga past. And we're cooking corned beef pure foods kasi I don't have time na ngayon and maraming ginagawa si P. Record siya, nagsusulat siya and everything, and we're putting it sa platito and we're gonna serve it, but rice muna. And that's Bay, aka CLR. And we're just, chatting, yapping while eating and enjoying the food. And after that, inaayos ko yung mga tela, mga pinatahi ni Chester kasi maglalabas siya ng bagong merch design. And nanonood lang kami mga old movies while nagsusulat si Che ng kanyang kanta. And that's our bonding. And this is Perla, my gecko. And nabili ko siya sa Animal Con. May papers yan. So I really love her. And this is my working station. This is where I make candles. So if you want, guys, magpa-souvenir sa akin. But hindi pa ako naglalabas ng prices. But soon I'm gonna post it on my Facebook page, The Bay Candle. And ayan siya, guys. Pierre Clat Sanctuaire, Sandalwood Vanilla. And may mga mini rin tayo na tea light candle. And may mga, yan. Pupunasan ko pa yan, guys. So, if may nakita kayong mga, pupunasan ko yun. And this is, travel tin can. Super smooth. Yeah. That's Lavender Dream, Roasted Bean, and Bamboo Forest. And this one, meron niya sa TikTok shop. Mint Soleil, Cafe Serrano, Mary Jane, Calm Waves. And if you want, please check my shop on TikTok, Bay & Co. And ayan yung mga pang souvenir. But I'm gonna post the price list very soon. Or any occasion na meron.